The Property Wealth and Cashflow book is 126 pages of tools, tips and case studies of how you can create your own financial freedom through property. Now, maybe you've got a job, maybe you're absolutely skinned, you're unemployed and you're thinking, how do you make the next steps for your own financial freedom? Maybe you've got money sitting in the bank, or you're at college or at university and you're not sure what the next step is. This book, I promise you, will give you a new way to look at how to create your own financial control, financial freedom, especially through property, no matter where you're coming from. Now, we all crave this significance and we all want to contribute to other people, but it all costs money. You might be looking after your kids right now, or you might have parents that you're looking after, or you've got this vision for your life that's just within reach. So this book will give you tools and ideas and insights of what's hot in property right now, so you can go make it happen. Like, create multiple flows of income. That's our mantra, and that's what's covered in this book. And I share my story as well on how I've made it possible too. It's because we're not living in a 19th century employment industry anymore, even though the government maybe want us to be like that, because we're not taught what I've said in this book at school. We're in the 21st century is a unique opportunity to have financial independence far easier because of technology, because there's more money now than ever before. You just need to know how. So this book is the insight and how you can make the next step. So it's a real small investment, and all I ask is, once you've read the book and you've made it happen to go out and give this book and tell other people how it happened, and that this book was one of the triggers to make it work too. And I'd love to hear your feedback. So enjoy the book, and I'll meet you soon.